City of Tempe announcing a big-time bust in street racing. They shared this video as part of their investigation. Over the weekend, they arrested 15 people, towing 14 vehicles and seizing 2 guns. Officials estimate on any given night, dozens to even hundreds of street racers take to valley streets.
Hell yeah. Where you at? Bro, if you say it's like this every fucking, I said you got content out here. You just gotta go get that shit. Swear, my boy. You good?
Yeah. There's a few shit right now.
Huh?
I feel like there's a little bit of shit right now.
Nah, facts. We rolled through here. We went out and came back in type shit. No, hell no. We just pulled up at some low key shit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna get on the plane in a couple hours, so I'm chilling, bro. I just came out here to do this shit, then I'm going back home.
Shit, where you about to go next?
I go to North Carolina on the 15th. I was supposed to be in Florida next weekend, but I ain't going. I don't feel like, bro, this traveling should be tiring, bro. You gotta edit all that shit, that should be tiring. Yeah, I can't complain.
You guys made it the perfect time.
Yeah, facts.
C5's about to spin it a couple times.
Oh, bet.
C5's gonna do a couple donuts right now.
No, bro.
You guys came perfect time.
That's perfect. I need some content.
Hey, for the one. You already know you want to a little bit. Hey, it's not cops up there.
It's not cops up there.
It's not. It's just security with cop lights.
Facts. Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah. It's because they're doing a concert right now at Tempe town.
Oh, bet.
How was your meet?
It was decent. We just made everybody leave. Yeah, somebody drifted around the whole fucking parking lot. Shit was decent. Oh, he hit that.
Hey, that's it.
Nigga, it's a fire under there. It's a fire under that bitch.
Damn. Hey, put in.
You was right, perfect timing, right?
Hey, you see, I ain't say shit. I was just like, damn. Yeah, push that bitch out.
Yo, Chino, what the fuck?
He said that shit crazy. What's the word, my boy? That's crazy.
What the fuck was this nigga doing?
What happened?
Bro, what was bro doing?
He was spinning.
God, nigga.
Damn, bro. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Bro, what did we just witness?
Tagged him.
Huh?
Your page gonna get hella attraction.
I ain't even watch the video. I ain't recorded that. It's on my GoPro. Bro, what the fuck? And I'm outside with that shit on, boy. He outside with that shit on, boy.
That's crazy.
Yeah. That shit wild. Chino. What the fuck?
That was crazy.
Nigga. Bro.
We turned our cameras off.
Wow, shit. Wow. This shit. Wow, I'll be in some shit, boy. Wow. That shit wild.
As soon as we turned the cameras off.
That shit
That's
wild.
crazy.
That shit was meant for me to get. That shit was meant for us to get, bro. I knew it.
Is this good content for you guys?
Yeah, hell yeah.
It's stuck in
Damn. Fucking wild. Hey, we got that. Let's get over here, bro. Hey, when they say Mexicans stick together, bro, we need to be like this as black people because they definitely do. Look. That shit wild. Bro, what the fuck? And I'm outside with that shit on, boy. He outside with that shit on, boy. That's crazy. Yeah. That shit wild. Damn.
I don't think so.
Got the strap. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this bitch going up. Huh? Yeah, that bitch going up. I'll fuck with Arizona though. I'll fuck with Arizona though.
Where my fat niggas
Bro,
at?
how this shit happen, bro? You seen it, right? Oh, weak. Oh, through here, man. What they come off for? What the fuck is that? That's a family.
Bro, I look.
They're gonna jump it. They're gonna jump it.
Oh, hell no. Look at them up there. What is they doing?
Oh, fuck.
What the?
Oh, bro, that bitch is blow up. For real.
TTL.
Hey, this shit like a fucking movie.
I'm gonna think that's just movie stuff. Hey, that's a fool, bro.
Friday. It's fucking Friday, man. Oh shit, that bitch throwing rocks, bro. Huh? I said he gonna blow it up. I just said that. I just said he was gonna blow it up, bro. I just said that shit. Hey, didn't I just say he was gonna blow it up, bro? It's a light, it's a light. It's a light. Oh, bro. Is that Angel talking about it's a light? It's a light.
We thought it was on fire, but it's not.
Facts. Hey, what y'all looking at?
Oh shit, what's up, man?
What's going on, bro?
How you doing? His car, he was trying to swing it and fuck, cause this car's low. Damn.
Hey, let me get out the way.
Hey, get out the way, cause they're gonna go out here.
All right, go.
Babe, hey, get out the way.
Oh, shit, fuck that, nigga. Just come over here. Hey, what's your Instagram? Looking at. Zero. Was that him? This shit raw, bro. Niggas is out here. Bro, let's go over there, bro. It's tripping. It just sparked it, man. Nah, fuck that. We ain't going all the way over there. We can't do shit with that, bro. Nigga, what? This bitch just went up. Pull up to Tempe, bro. Yeah, we outside. That's a lot of shit outside, bro. Motherfucker just tried to drift and smack the fucking curb. Damn. Bro. Look at this nigga. Damn. Hey, we gotta. They calling the police or something? Why you?
gonna be on the highway.
Yeah, we pulled up to another spot. Remember my first spot? We right by the first spot. That's why we just came over here. Motherfuckers popped up over here a couple more seconds. Pull up over here though. You outside. Motherfuckers, bro, come outside, bro. They is tweaking us. This shit active. Wow. Going crazy right now. We're in Tempe if y'all in Arizona, come to Tempe. Hey, what the fuck is going on out here, bro? Hey, this bitch got active. They trying to fix cars and shit now. Y'all want to see what happened to the vet? Hey, let's go down there and see what the vet look like. Is that it though?
It's bad.
Hey, bro ass just tried to drift his vet and smacked into the fucking.
Did you get the whole thing on?
Yeah, I got the whole thing on the GoPro. That bitch wild as hell. It looked crazy. We outside though. This is. Look. What the fuck? Bro done wrecked this shit literally. Like, they're trying to get this shit together so it don't get hot. Look, these all motherfuckers is pulling up to fix this shit. That's crazy. That's crazy. Outside, bro, fuck this car, I'm trying to slide. That C5 is down. It's out of commission. Out of there. This shit wild, bro. This shit wild. Bro, shit out of there. Let me show y'all some shit. He better not try to slide that big motherfucker. Hey, somebody just crashed the C5. Just wiped out trying to slide, trying to be cool. Out as hell. Bro, oh, the girl.